So you listed your home, but it didn't sell. Now what? I get it. Having your home sit on the market can feel frustrating and even embarrassing. But here's the thing. If your home didn't sell the first time, it's not your fault. Most of the time, it's the approach that's the problem. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain to reveal the top reasons why homes don't sell the first time and how to fix it so that you can move on with your life and with more money in your pocket. Hey friends, Noah Jenkins here with Noah Jenkins Group and Keller Williams Realty, and I help people just like you sell homes in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, including the gorgeous Lake Norman region. If you've ever been in the frustrating position of having your home sit unsold, I want you to know that you're not alone. I work with sellers every single day to turn their listing disasters into success stories. If you're ready to get your home sold and want expert advice tailored to your unique needs, let's chat. You can call, text, or email me anytime. All of my contact info is in the description below. And before we dive in, hit that subscribe, like, and bell notification so that you don't miss out on anything, and especially don't miss out on the tips that can save you thousands. All right, now let's break down why homes don't sell and how to fix it. Reason number one is pricing. Listen, I know it's tempting to aim high. After all, you love your home and it's worth every single penny to you. But here's the hard truth. Buyers don't care what you think your home is worth. They care about what the market says it's worth. When a home is overpriced, it scares buyers away. And when no one's looking at your home, you're forced to make price cuts later, which makes it look like something is wrong with it. So here's my solution. I create a data-driven pricing strategy for every single listing that I handle. By pricing your home competitively, we attract the right buyers, get more offers, and actually drive up the final sales price. Yes, you heard that right. Pricing it right actually gets you more money. Here's a big one. If your agent isn't marketing your home aggressively, it's going to sit, period. Putting it on the MLS and hoping for the best, that's not marketing, that's wishful thinking. With so many homes hitting the market, you need a strategy that makes your home stand out. That's where I come in. I use professional photography, high quality video tours, and targeted digital ads that showcase my listings to thousands of potential buyers. And guess what? This isn't just for luxury homes. It works for every single price point. With the right marketing plan, your home goes from sitting on the market to sold. It's as simple as that. Here's a truth bomb. Buyers decide whether or not they like your home within the first few seconds of walking in, or even before they walk in. Poor presentation skills can kill a sale before it even starts. If your home is cluttered, dark, or too personalized, buyers won't be able to picture themselves living there. And if they can't see themselves in it, they're not making an offer and they're definitely not coming to look at it. With my sellers, I focus on presentation. We make sure that your home looks the absolute best because first impressions matter. Sometimes it's as simple as adding fresh flowers or moving furniture around or even hiring a professional stager. Small changes can lead to big results. This one drives me crazy. Imagine a buyer wants to see your home, but they can't get in because your schedule is too tight or your agent is too slow to respond. Well, you just lost a potential offer. Flexibility is key when selling your home. I make it easy for buyers to schedule showings by using cutting-edge tools to streamline the process. And trust me, being responsive makes all the difference. Remember, you never know which showing will lead to the right offer. Let's make sure that your home is always available when buyers are ready. Finally, and this is a big one, choosing the wrong agent. I can't tell you how many times that I've been called in to rescue a listing that sat on the market because the agent didn't have the experience, the strategy, and frankly, the work ethic to get it sold. Selling a home, especially in a competitive market, isn't just about putting it on the MLS and crossing your fingers. It's about having a plan, executing it, and constantly adjusting based on the market feedback. That's why when I take on a listing, my goal isn't just to sell your home. It's to sell it for the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time and with the best possible experience for you. If your home didn't sell the first time, don't give up hope. With the right strategy, the right marketing, and with the right agent, your home can sell, and for more than you think. If you're in the Charlotte or Lake Norman area and need help getting your home sold, let's talk. You can call, text, or email me at any time. My contact information is in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this advice. Again, I'm Noah Jenkins, and I'll see you in the next video.